How to log in Harley Davidson Credit Card. If you want to log into Harley Davidson Credit Card, you can simply follow along. Start by opening a default web browser in your device. Then search for Harley Davidson Credit Card Login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Harley Davidson Visa Credit Card from the US Bank. As soon as you get to this link, you'll be taken to the homepage of Harley Davidson. In this screen, you'll find Login and Manage Your Account button on the top right side of the screen. Tap on the Login to your account button and then you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your personal ID and finally tap on Continue. There are also other options like Forgot your personal ID, which you can use to recover your personal ID. You can also tap on Login FAQs to find frequently asked questions. And this was everything you need to know about logging in to Harley Davidson Credit Card online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.